Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be having a review of the data button versus Bold.new, of which AI is the best in terms of no-code builder. If you're choosing between data button and Bold.new, in 2025 both stand out as a powerful AI-driven no-code builders, but they shine in different ways. Data button is best for workflow automation and connecting data sources. Think spreadsheet, APIs, and internal tools, making it great for teams who want to streamline processes without writing code. Next is the Bolt.new. This one right here focuses on rapid app prototyping, functional apps. With a clean drag and drop interface and strong AI integration, perfect for quickly turning ideas into functional apps. So data button leans toward back-end automation, while Bolt.new excels in front-end building and user-friendly design. If you want to supercharge data flows, go with data button, but if you need to launch polished apps fast, you wanna go to Bolt.new.